Hello guys, here Poki is a trainer. Today we are going to discuss about the Safari Zone of Pokemon Go. It is happening after so many long. I think it is the first time after COVID-19 coming in our world. Let's see. We are excited to announce the new dates. Let's check completely in Pokemon Go Live. We know how meaningfully and rewarding it is connect to explore together in the real world through our live events. That's why we are excited to announce new dates for Safari Zone event. Originally planned for 2020. 2000, some details were, four places were shown in Safari Zone. Now see, where will Pokemon Go Safari Zone? Liverpool is now scheduled for Friday, October 15, 2021 to Sunday, October 17, 2021 in Swift. Check the events website in the coming weeks for more details. Pokemon Go Safari Zone. Philadelphia is now scheduled for Friday, October 29, 2021, Sunday, October 31, 2021 in Paramount Park. Pokemon Go Safari, St. Louis. What time है अब देखिए you look guys, Friday, November 12, 2021 to Sunday, November 14, 2021 in Java Group Park. Additionally, start and end time for Safari have shifted 1 hour early, provided the best possible on-site experience. Update event hours are reflected in on your ticket. Not only will the Safari Zone celebration take place in the original park location, but also ticket holders will be able to participate in the event. They have a ticket for no matter where they are in the world. Global events hour will be based on each participant in local time, for example on a Friday. So don't worry guys, you can also play if you can't reach there, but you need to buy a ticket. Ticket holders will be able to enjoy the following features, whether they participate in a in-person event or play global. Future Pokemon will be appearing in the wild and attracted to instance. You will be able to complete the event exclusive special research and field research during the hours will last for 8 hours. Activation. Your model's activation during event hours will last for 4 hours. Special 2 km will be available. For Safari Zone, will be ticket holders take a snapshot for surprise. My throat is little bit glitchy. All ticket holders who would like to join in a person event must RSVP. This is a Alasa, nothing to join. It is about to go in person event. That means that I said 3 places. Then you want that. I will read it. I will just go through it. All ticket holders who would like to join an in-person event must RSVP. This is so that we have an accurate count of those who plan to attend an in-person event and to make sure we keep the event safe for distance gathering. Ticket holders will receive an email with more information on how to RSVP soon. Safari Zone ticket holders will now see an updated date and time for remainder tab. Ticket selections. For example, if you purchase a Friday early access ticket, you will have a Friday early access ticket for update events. No additional tickets will be sold for these events. City Explorer Pass experience has been removed from these events. Those who purchase this add-on Niantic will initiate all refunds by October 2, 2021. We are working closely with the local authorities to design safe event experience, implementing precautions such as careful line management, social distancing protocol, like that. When planning your safari zone experience, please follow all health guidelines and pay attention to any travel restrictions. If these events must be postponed again due to from local authorities, we will notify the ticket as soon as possible. That that means you must be aware who go to the event, and if the any local authority say this not will be available, you might get a notification or might get the ticket back. So if you like this video and find this video informative, so share, like and subscribe. So thank you guys.